how to get widgets on iPhone. So there's actually two ways that you can pull this off. If you want already set up widgets on your phone, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just hold on your screen away from the apps. So I'm gonna just hold, and as you can see right here, you will see the apps are shaking. That means that you can actually edit them or remove them. So let's say for example I want to click the plus button, all right, and here you will see all the widgets alongside with the apps related to them. You will see right here Spotify, you will see right here my internet connection kind of widget, smart stack or clock, photos, even the notes and TikTok and such. All right, and here you will see the rest of the apps, all right, that actually allow widgets. So let's say for example Hello Talk, and you will see right here you can add the widgets, and after we added the widgets, you could just move it around right and left or whatever place that you feel comfortable with. All right, and after you've done, you're gonna just hit done right here at the top right, and this way you added your widgets. The second way that you can actually get widgets, and let's say for example that you want to create your own widgets, having your own picture in the widgets just like the rest of the apps. So we're gonna go ahead to our app store, all right, and we're gonna search for something called widgets, all right, and you will see in the results after we search for it the widget Smith, all right, and this app actually allows you to use your own photos, all right, your own special photos that you can actually use in the widgets. I'm gonna just go back here to my screen and enter the app, all right, and here after I click the widgets Smith, I'm gonna see right here I can add small widgets, medium, or even like a wider photo. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here into the photo section, and I'm gonna choose from photos, all right, and from my photos, let's say for example this one, all right, it will create small widgets that I can hit save right here, and if I want to use it, I'm gonna just go back to my screen and I'm gonna just hold. The same goes, click plus button, you will see the widget Smith. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here, widget Smith, all right, and I'm gonna make it as small, all right, and it will be added just like this, for example, all right, and you can use other photos as well. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.